Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. If you're an old viewer, thank you for coming back. So today let's make this delicious fluffy easy pancake recipe. So to do this you need eggs, 2 eggs. So you add 2 eggs to a container and you mix them together. Then next you would need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So you add your 2 tablespoons of sugar to the eggs, and then you add your milk. So for the milk you'll be needing 200 ml of milk. So you add your 200 ml of milk to the milk, and then you mix also. Then after that you get your flour, your all-purpose flour. You add 1.5 cup of flour to the mixture, and then you also mix it together. Make sure to mix very well. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. And after subscribing, please help us turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video you will be notified. So make sure to mix this very well, like mix it well, mix it till the whole flour and everything is gone. So make sure to mix it very well, and make sure it is like this. Make sure it's not too thick and it's not too watery. It has to be like this so that it doesn't turn out flat like normal pancake. So make sure to mix it well. Then next you'll be adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then you can now go in with your 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder or vanilla extract. So I'll be using vanilla extract. If you don't have vanilla extract, if it is vanilla powder you have, fine, you can go in with your vanilla powder, and then you keep mixing. So you mix till it is like this, like I said. Then after that you get your pan. You put your pan on fire. Then you use a brush to spread your oil around the pan. So you just use oil to just spread the oil around the pan as I'm doing now. And then you go back to your mixture, your pancake mixture, and you use a spoon. You can use a tablespoon or a small spoon if you have. Then now you just keep applying 1 tablespoon of the pancake or of the mixture into the pan. So if you can get the same size, no problem. If you can't get the same size, then just keep pouring 1 tablespoon to the pan. So I couldn't get the same size, so I just made do with what I could get. So you just keep adding it to the pan, and once it starts forming bubbles, once the top side starts forming bubbles, you just have to like flip over. And you flip over. Once both sides are done, then you can take it off the pan. So that is how easy it is to make this easy fluffy pancake. Like I said, it is easy. So once it starts forming bubbles, you just flip over. So you can just keep repeating the process till all your mixture is gone, till you're done with everything. So that is just it. So now once both sides are golden, you can now transfer to a serving plate. Please let us know your name and the country you're watching from, so we can make a shout out to you, or we can send you a big hug. So let us know your name and the country you're watching from in the comment section. Thank you. And also, if you have a video request, please feel free to request that video in the comment section, and if it is something we can do, we'll promise to make the video immediately. If it's something we can't do, we'll let you know that we can't do it. But please feel free to request the video you want to see on our channel in the comment section. Thank you. So that is just it, and you can see how lovely it came out. So you can apply honey to this, or ketchup, or any sauce to use in eating this. You can use any of that to eat this actually. So I'll be using ketchup, though not for all, because I would love to eat it like that also without adding anything to it. So you can use honey, you can use jam, you can use ketchup, you can use any of the above. So this is easy, fluffy, delicious pancake. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.